In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the comparison between the new AirPods Pro 2 and the Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds. If you're wondering which pair to choose, stay tuned as we're going to dive into the details of sound quality, noise canceling capabilities, connectivity, comfort, and additional features to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the sound quality. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds are known to be particularly favored by those who listen to genres like dub techno and hip-hop. They bring out the depth and intricacies of these styles, providing a rich and immersive audio experience. On the other hand, the AirPods Pro 2 are celebrated for their balanced sound signature. Many users find them particularly enjoyable for classical and folk music, where balance and clarity can really enhance the listening experience. So it really comes down to your musical preferences and what sound profile aligns with your tastes. Next, let's talk about noise cancellation, a crucial feature for many users. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra is often praised for its superior noise canceling capabilities, making them ideal for cutting out background noise during commutes or in busy environments. In comparison, while the AirPods Pro 2 offer excellent active noise cancellation, they are generally considered slightly less effective than the Bose in this regard. Moving on to connectivity and ecosystem integration. If you are an avid Apple user, the AirPods Pro 2 might be particularly advantageous for you. They offer seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, which comes with a host of additional features that complement other Apple devices. However, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra shines with its multi-point connectivity, allowing users to connect seamlessly to multiple devices at once. A big plus if you constantly switch between, say, a laptop and a smartphone during the day. When it comes to comfort and fit, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra tends to lead the pack. Many users have found them more comfortable for long listening sessions thanks in part to the stability wingtips that provide a secure fit. Meanwhile, the AirPods Pro 2, while they offer a good fit, may not be as comfortable for all users, and some report they can occasionally fall out during more vigorous activities. Now, addressing additional features, the AirPods Pro 2 boasts a superior transparency mode and supports spatial audio, features that some users find invaluable. Meanwhile, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra offers customizable ANC modes and a highly detailed EQ within their app, allowing users to fine-tune their listening experience. In conclusion, if you are deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem and prioritize seamless integration, the AirPods Pro 2 might be the right choice for you. However, if your top priorities are superior noise cancellation and sound quality in noisy environments, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra could be the better fit. Additionally, for many, the enhanced comfort and stability of the Bose options could make them the earbud of choice, especially if you're frequently on the move. We hope this detailed breakdown helps you choose the perfect earbuds to fit your lifestyle and needs. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.